Hey friends and fans! Today we have another amazing money-making video for you. In today's video, we are going to talk about how you can make money on TikTok. Almost everyone has this app on their smartphone, but not everyone is taking advantage of it by making money from it. Today, I will talk about all the stuff related to money making from TikTok. So don't miss any part of the video. Also, go ahead and press the like button right now and turn on subscription notifications. If you are new, TikTok has a lot of interest right now, but not a lot of content. So those who are creating content are seeing crazy views, and some people are going viral literally overnight. Here's the thing. The same thing happened with Instagram just a few years ago. People got interested in this app that was normally just for teenagers, but they thought the way to make money through Instagram was to get a lot of followers. But now that we see Instagram as a full-blown marketing tool for businesses, where you don't actually need a lot of followers, I can see that more and more people are looking to TikTok, and they don't want to wait years to figure out the platform and how to monetize it. People want to jump on TikTok early so they can capitalize on all the interest today and start to make money from TikTok. If this sounds like you and you're interested in jumping on a platform early to figure out how to actually monetize your following, that's what I'm covering today. There are plenty of opportunities to make some cash on TikTok. Let's talk about some of the top TikTok monetization strategies for 2022. 1. Become a TikTok influencer. You know the saying, build it and they will come? This concept applies to TikTok too. If you build an account with a loyal and engaged following, you'll be able to score influencer partnerships with brands all over the world that want to connect with your audience. In an influencer marketing arrangement, a brand will ask you to promote their products or services in your TikTok videos. The most common type of payment is money or free stuff from the company. For example, Charli D'Amelio, one of the biggest TikTokers out there, is an influencer for P&G, one of the biggest brands out there. While some people think that you need millions of followers like Charli to become an influencer, that's not the case. A lot of brands prefer to work with micro-influencers or influencers with a smaller number of followers. The definition of a micro-influencer can be different depending on who you're talking to and the size of the market you're targeting, but it's generally between 5,000 and 50,000 followers. To become a successful influencer, it's a good idea to have a niche or a specific theme or topic for your account and posts. This way, brands will be able to clearly identify if you're a good match for the products and services they'd like you to help promote. 2. Grow and sell TikTok accounts. Many businesses would like to have a presence on TikTok, but don't have the time or resources to create and grow an account. Why not offer them a fast track to TikTok growth? You can do this by growing and selling TikTok accounts. For some time now, people have built social media accounts and sold them to make money. For instance, 23-year-old Rami Hallam makes around $30,000 annually using this TikTok monetization strategy. To successfully sell TikTok accounts, you need more than just an attractive range of videos on your account. You'll also need a specific focus and a dedicated following. Themed or niche accounts are easier to sell because the buyer can continue creating the same kind of content after the purchase to maintain followers. For example, if you sell an account that features short videos related to unboxing the brand you sell it, can continue posting the same type of videos in the future. Personal accounts are much harder to sell because followers may be drawn to the person rather than the style of content. When flipping TikTok accounts, you'll need to build a strong content strategy, engage with followers regularly, and give buyers advice on how to get further engagement on their newly bought account. 3. Post sponsored content. Another way to monetize your TikTok account is through sponsored content. This is when brands approach you or you approach them to feature their offerings in your video. In return, you pay them a fee to compensate for your service. You can start by working with smaller brands to build up your portfolio. Reach out to local businesses in your area to see if they'd be interested in getting featured on TikTok. It might be a good idea to charge a minimum fee in the beginning, then work your way up once you start gaining recognition as a TikTok creator. But if you rather charge high and have brands come to you, consider joining the TikTok Creator Marketplace (TCM). For those unfamiliar, TCM is a collaboration platform that allows brands to connect with and run marketing campaigns with TikTokers. However, you need to have over 100,000 followers, be at least 18 years old, and have received over 100,000 video likes in the past 28 days to apply. So if you're a new creator, it's best to focus on making creative TikTok videos that you can share with brands to get some sponsorships. 4. Sell your own products. If you're from the US, Canada, or the UK and have a TikTok for Business account, you might be able to add a shopping tab and product links to your profile. The shopping tab is basically a new feature resulting from TikTok's partnership with Shopify. It's designed to help TikTokers with a Shopify store promote their products through the app. Users who click a product link are redirected to the merchant's Shopify store for purchase. Although it's not a direct way of making money on TikTok, you'd still earn by generating sales for your business. Also, if you don't have a lot of followers on TikTok, you can endorse your products by creating unique TikTok videos. For instance, if you have a business selling food products, you can make 30-second recipe videos and share them on TikTok. 5. Collect donations. TikTok has an interesting feature called coins. If you're eligible to livestream, you can collect these coins from your most dedicated and adoring followers. Then you can eventually exchange them for cash. Here's how it works. Say that your biggest fan purchases coins, which start at $1.39 for 100 coins and go up to increments of $139.99 for 1,000 coins. If you're live streaming, that user can send you coins or use those coins to buy you gifts. You can then turn coins and gifts into diamonds and convert diamonds into cash using PayPal. The only catch is that live streaming isn't open to everyone. TikTok picks people to live stream, so you'll need to have a good account before you can make money from TikTok with this option. The Chinese version of TikTok Douyin has a similar feature. During a live stream, an account owner can offer a shopping cart option so they can directly sell their products and services during the stream. Some people predict that this feature will come to TikTok eventually, which would be another awesome approach to making money on TikTok. How much money can you make from TikTok? While you don't need to have 20 million followers to monetize TikTok, a money-making account needs to have a strong, engaged following. Take famous TikToker Cody Antle, whose claim to fame was his dad's appearance on the viral show Tiger King. With 28 million followers and a 0.75% engagement rate, Cody might be making up to $27,800 per post. If you're still in the micro-influencer stage, your earnings will be lower. For example, Carlos Ayala has 112,900 followers and a 3.07% engagement rate, and he's estimated to make up to $114 per post. Technically, you could start making money on TikTok with as little as 1,000 followers. However, you'd need to find brands willing to sponsor your content. Another way is to engage with your audience in live videos, so you become a fan favorite and earn gifts. The main thing to keep in mind is that you need amazing content that people love, and you need to work hard at continuously growing your following. If you approach it with the right mindset and you're willing to learn as you go and pay close attention to what's working and what isn't, you'll be making money before you know it. Well guys, that was all about for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, please share your thoughts in the comments section, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for stopping by. See you in the next video.